The Republic thinks they can blow up our factory. I will enjoy teaching them a lesson. We obliterated their defenses, but one squad survived. Eliminate them so we can retake the factory.
Or be deactivated. Rearming for close attack.
The clones are attempting to reclaim 2 of their forward command centers. Secure both locations. Those clones are causing trouble. I do not know what kind, but kill them anyway. Wipe out that strike team.
Exterminate the Republic forces. Grenade armed. Good luck, turret. Clones at the console. Blast them! Capture the area. Forward operations mode ready. Activating strategic control circuits. Roger, roger. Has everyone made sure to note where the exits are? Scan the area. Turret ready. More clones? You gotta be kidding me! Grenade out!
The command centers were unimportant anyway, but let's find some reinforcements nonetheless.
Activating strategic control circuits. Grenade rise! Win or be deactivated. They don't look like we defeated them. Nader here. Win or be deactivated. Activating turret. An ally has arrived. Coordinate attack. I hate it when they turn things on. Grenade armed. Unit in danger. Good luck, turret.
That was an entertaining distraction. Inform command they can begin their assault on the droid.